Hello, my beautiful wildflowers. How are you today? Alexis here with Modesty. Welcome to Mask Monday, ladies. And today I have the Peerless Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask to share with you. And also, I do have to reveal the winner from last week's giveaway. So if you're interested in finding out these information, please stay tuned. Welcome back, my beautiful wildflowers and guests. And if this is your first time here, welcome. And I hope you really enjoy the video today. And so before we get started with the Peerless, the Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Sheet Mask, moisturizing and rejuvenating, which the reason why I'm doing this one is because I need moisturizing and rejuvenating after this long month of Ramadan. And so before I get into this, as you guys know, if you've been with me for a while, what do? That's right. We do our Empowering Affirmations card. And so this is based on the theory of self-care as everyday thing and not a once a week thing, okay? Like I used to do. So anyhow, let's just go ahead and pick the card and see what kind of affirmation we can come up with. And like I was saying earlier, I think one of my other videos, I said to you guys that, you know, we're gonna definitely run out of affirmations because there's only 60 of them, but then I have a backup. But you know what? Before we do the affirmation, why don't we just go ahead and put the mask on so that way I can do it while I have it on. Even though I do talk a little bit funny, but you know, that's okay. And so let me take a look and see what it says about this specific mask. And this is a sheet mask, and if you recently watched my opening of the Derm Store's Beauty Fix, that's where I got this. And so I want to go ahead and give it a try. And I love Peerless products, their sheet masks, so I'm sure I'm gonna like it too, but you never know. Okay, and so this one here, this natural fiber mask infused with matcha green tea and restorative Asian botanicals deliver antioxidant and minerals to your skin. The matcha green tea helps stimulate and rejuvenate skin cells to aid in the prevention of premature aging and hyperpigmentation, leaving skin healthy, beautiful, and radiant. So the directions on this is start with cleanse skin, remove mask from package and unfold, then gently place on face to fit over the eyes, nose, and mouth. Relax and remove mask after 15 to 20 minutes, and then remove mask gently, massaging the skin to absorb the excess essence, and don't rinse. So use 1 to 2 times a week. So, and also this is by Peerless is owned by Jennifer Yan, and she gets all her ancient secrets from her grandmother's routine. And this is what she had to say: inspired by my grandmother's Asian beauty wisdom with modern philosophy. To beautiful skin. Jennifer Yan, the creator. So yeah. Okay, so what we will go ahead and do with this, you know what, I want to take a look real quick. And one thing that I've been noticing about Peerless is they're not using, and they didn't this time either, they're not using fragrances. And early on in their products, I noticed that there were fragrances. They weren't really bad. But lately, I've been noticing that they've removed the fragrance, which is, I'm so happy about that. So anyway, let's go ahead. And what I like to do is I like to do this because this is where I'm going to pull it open to push the essence into the mask. And so that way it's nice and saturated. And then I will go ahead and just rip the top like this. And let's see what kind of a mask. Oh yeah, definitely juicy. Again, there's, you know, I don't get any fragrance out of it. There's going to be some kind of scent, especially depending on the chemicals, the substances that's in here, the ingredients that's in here. So, but this is not, you know, I'm not smelling anything like terrible. So, and what I like to do is I like to drop it like this and make sure that this nose flap, see, that's on the inside. So I'm going to go this way. Otherwise it gets tucked underneath and then I can't get to it and I can't cover my nose. And so what I like to do is I just like to match up my eye hole like that. And then rest of the time kind of press it in. And here we go. I'm going to put it under. Oh, I like this mask. It's like, it's really soft. Yeah, it's soft. This is, their masks tend to be thin at times, but this one's quite quite thick. And let's see, I will go ahead and press this in. Okie dokie. And here we go. And again, I like this thick strip here. And I'm going to move it up a little because it does tend to fall at times. And as you guys know, I like to put on my silicone mask on top of it. Not only prevents the sheet mask from moving around, but it traps the heat of my skin and opens up the pores a little bit. And allows me to talk to you guys better. And what I like to do is I like to keep it like this. And it is tricky to get under my, or around my ear. I usually, at this point, say, I'll be right back. But I'm going to go ahead and do this like this now. And here's my ears. Whoops. Yep. And I'll cover my ears like this. Perfect. There we go. Okay, so I can move around and there's not a problem. So, ooh, I look like Michael's sister. Remember the Halloween? Anyway, maniacal laugh. Anyhow, moving on. All right, I digress. I'm just having fun here. So let's start with the card. And there's a couple of things I want to do. Not only do I want to go ahead. Oh, number one. See, I forgot already. Timer. And we will go 15 minutes on it and start. Most of the time I forget, but that's okay. And so there's a couple of things I want to do. Number one, the affirmation cards. And number two, one of the things that I just received my IPSY, not Luxe, that's BoxyCharm, X, IPSY Glam X. And I had noticed that I already have the Modern Renaissance palette, and I think I showed you guys if you watched that one. But one thing I did notice after I looked at it closer, what I received from IPSY is not the same, like the container is different colors. And so I'm wondering, do they change the formula? Do they make a cheaper version of it for IPSY and puts it in our box? Because they're different. I'm going to show you because I have it in front of me. But let's just go ahead and jump into this first and then we'll move on to the next thing, okay? So, as I see, this card here. Oh, it's a pretty card. There it is. And it looks like a bunch of trees, like a family of trees. And it actually says, today is the day I shine. I like it. Today is the day that I shine. That's a good affirmation. You know, you just walk around and say, you know what? Today I'm going to shine. Today I'm going to do something that makes me shine. So let's see what the questions in the box says. It says, how can I focus on how can I focus on projecting myself outwards today? And the second one is, what emotion and thoughts do I want to share with the universe? Nice. The first question again, how can I focus on projecting myself outward today? And what emotion and thoughts do I want to share with the universe? Very interesting. I can hear my cat out there projecting her wants here. So she wants to get in and she's projecting that. I don't know if you can hear them in the background, but it's okay. So anyway, there it is. And so, yeah, this is a good card. Today is the day I shine. And what do I want to really project out there? And you know, one thing I do like to project is positivity. And you know, and people often ask me, even in my life, I mean, is everything that great? Well, in my mind it is. Well, you know, definitely everybody has difficulties, they have challenges, they have opportunities. And so, but do you want to really focus on those challenges, or do you want to focus on the opportunities that you have and then really go forward with that? That's how I like to project myself, because even though people may say, wow, she's got the perfect life, you know, she's got a beautiful husband who cares for her, you know, she has a career, you know, she loves her life, but everybody has challenges, you know. It's just my choice that I don't project that out there, but I project the positive parts of my life. But definitely there's some, you know, glitches in my life. I mean, there's nobody in the world who don't have challenges in their lives. I mean, I like to meet that person, whoever that is, right? And so, yeah, but you know, it's what you choose to focus on. And I choose to focus on what I have and, you know, what opportunities I have, not so much the challenges. I think of the challenges as then, okay, how can I deal with this challenge? Definitely have to think about them. You can't ignore them. It's not like you can't ignore a problem and expect it to go away, but you have to approach it in a way that is constructive to yourself. and not in negativity, because I see people, you know, around me at times where they're so negative that nothing goes right in their life. And that's exactly what they project. And what they project into the universe is what they seem to get back. And so really important, you guys, that you project positivity. I'm not saying fake it. I'm saying, you know, just really look at the positive sides of things in life and then project it. And you'd be surprised what comes back to you and what people will project back to you. Okay? And so, yeah, that's that on this one. Anyhow, that was our affirmation for the day. Let me put this in the back. And moving on, as I said, I wanted to go ahead and share with you the difference, okay? Here is the Modern Renaissance palette. This is mine, okay? And this is the one that I bought from Anastasia, Beverly Hills. And I didn't buy this that long ago, so it's not like they can say, well, we changed it between the time you bought this and the time you got the IPSY. I'm going to say this is less than 2 months old, okay? And this is what I received from IPSY, okay? And here it is. So I want you to notice. Do you notice the difference in the color of the palette? This is mine. This is what came with the IPSY. So yeah, and then the thing is, it was dark when I was looking at it, and it was at nighttime, so I was thinking, maybe it's just my imagination. But no, let's see. And as far as the shades, I want to do like a side-by-side because they look about the same, but I don't know about the formula. I mean, definitely it's pinkier to me in my mind, but you know, this, I don't want to do it while I have the mask on, but I think it's one of those things I want to actually do a side-by-side swatches. The problem is I really don't want to swatch the second one because, you know, it's perfectly good condition. I haven't touched it, and I want to be able to give it to somebody who would enjoy it. But the thing is, I've noticed that there is definitely a difference. So, I mean, are there a quality difference? I'm not really sure. Is it just maybe the color, dye color of what, you know, of the container? I don't know. They feel kind of like the same. I mean, okay, the one, my original, my pinkier one, does feel a little bit fuzzier than this, but they are both fuzzy. But yeah, but the inside seems to be identical in color. So I can show you the colors here. Actually, the colors on the IPSY one is a less of a mess because I think I did swatch this one, so it's kind of like a mess. And so this one here is the IPSY one, okay? And this one below, I can't hold this right, but I don't want to like, okay. See, the difference is like this one's a little bit darker, more intense, which is my version, than the, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and, I'm not doing this well. Hold on. I got to move the brush so that way it doesn't fall out maybe. No, it's okay. I'll just take a chance. Okay. Here we go. As you notice, especially the burnt orange color on this palette is definitely a little bit more orangey. And so, but the rest of the color doesn't seem to be that different. But the shimmer seemed shimmerier, if that makes sense, and my original palette. And so, yeah, I really don't know what to think about that, guys. I don't know if IPSY just, you know, pays ABH and, you know, and says, oh, we're going to go ahead and create one, you know, give us the dye lots or whatever. I don't know what happens. I can't speak to that. And I don't even want to begin to speculate because I don't want to give the wrong impression because I don't know. And so, yeah, just a thought, you know. Yeah, because I know I did notice a difference. But like I said, I will be giving away this one regardless because I do have an extra one. So, yeah. Yep, that's that. And so let's see. And what I want to do now is I want to go ahead and show the winner for the drawing, okay? I did do the drawing like I usually do. I filmed it, and I'm going to go ahead and put that clip right here, and we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Okay, my beautiful wildflowers, here we are. We are at the YouTube contest options where we're going to go ahead and plug in the link for the video that we are having the giveaway for. And then what we'll do is we will go ahead and filter the duplicate users so everybody has one entry. And next, we will filter the comments based on a specific text. And if you remember correctly, it was mud, as we were talking about the mud masks. And so here we go. And next, what we will do is we will click on this button to get all of the comments with the word mud in there and see how many. Okay, there are 23 of them. Okay, not too bad for a Monday drawing. So, okay, now we're going to pop over here. And then we will start our raffle and pick the random winner when we push this button right here. And so, here we go. Jennifer Miguel, congratulations. Okay, the next step, what we have to do is we have to validate that Jennifer is actually subscribed to me publicly. And so we'll go ahead and pop on over there, and this will take us to her channel. And this is it. And then we will look under channels, and we will go ahead and go row by row. And, oh, that was quick. And here I am. All righty, this is official now. So, let me see. Great. Congratulations, Jennifer. And, okay, welcome back and congratulations, Jennifer. And thank you so much for being a great, beautiful wildflower. And please do send me your address so I can ship your goodies to you. And you can find my email address at the very bottom of the details of my videos. Or you can contact me on Instagram and just go ahead and DM me there. You know, whichever is easiest for you, okay? And so, my beautiful wildflowers, if you didn't win, that's okay. There's other, of course, giveaways. And also, to remind you guys, just because you win one, it doesn't mean that you cannot win again. Because if you're watching my videos like this closely to a point where you're winning more than one time, that's okay. You deserve it just as much, okay? And so, but yeah, no worries. And also, we have another giveaway going on right now, which is the Mother's Day, the Glossybox, right? And so that should be revealed here soon, sometime this week, because that one came after this one. But yeah, I want to just go ahead and solidify this piece and that. And as you guys know, my goal is for September 1st to have 1,000 subscribers, or 1,000 beautiful wildflowers. And so that is still my goal, and I'm hoping to get there. I don't know if YouTube is doing this weird thing, but at one point I had 645, then it dropped to 640, to 642, 643, 645, 642. It's going back and forth, and I don't think anybody's like really unsubscribing themselves back and forth like that. And I saw one person that I kept getting notice that she's subscribing, but I'm like, okay, I don't get it. That's like 4 notices that she's subscribing. I get it. She's subscribed. I saw it, but it's really strange. That's my cat arguing about it too. You hear her? Yeah, Lily, tell him. Anyway, my beautiful wildflowers. Yeah, and also once I get to 1,000, I will go ahead. Wait a minute, okay? I'll be right back. Okay, guys, sorry about that. She is just screaming up a storm. She's like, let me out there, mama. Let me out there. It's her day for a bath, and she's really dirty. And so she's like, I need my bath. I need my bath. Do you want to go out? You're stuck. And so, hold on. She's like, okay, put me down. Put me down. So, this is Lily, and she's just looking around because she knows she's not allowed here, so she's like really enjoying being here. Okay, Lily. And, yeah. And it's her birthday, and she's going to destroy everything, but that's okay. Okay, my beautiful wildflower, sorry about that little commercial. And here's her. She's saying hi. And as I was saying, as I digress, is that, yeah, my goal is still 1,000. Beautiful wildflowers by September 1st, and at that point I will go ahead and have a huge giveaway, and that will be decided when the time comes. But in the meanwhile, I'll still be having smaller giveaways as I've been having. Okay, all right. So my beautiful wildflowers, if I added any value, please hit like, and if this is your first time here, thank you for being here, and please do consider subscribing. And so my beautiful wildflowers, please have a good day, good night, good week, or good weekend, whenever you're watching this. But regardless, don't sweat the small stuff. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.